Hey guys, it's Lisa from WTI, and today I have the LA Active non-slip fuzzy socks, the 2-pair pack, which has the pale pink and baby blue colors. These are so comfy and warm to have on, especially in the house on a cold day where you want to keep your toes nice and toasty, but want the safety of having a non-slip sock on. Again, super fuzzy and cozy, and then they have the non-slip gripping on the bottom, and you don't have to worry about these slipping and sliding at all. They really do keep you anchored to the floor. Again, this is the LA Active 2-pack fuzzy non-slip socks. Love them, and that is my point of view.